Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. For gold, I'm still watching for higher prices, but the price action since the last video has just been, just sideways consolidation. And I'm just watching for the next signal that the next uptrend has started, or let's say that we are continuing with the uptrend. The wave count from the last video is still pretty much relevant, and there's no real change. Obviously, we are consolidating sideways at the moment. Maybe it could even turn into some kind of a triangle. My view is that this is either a wave 2, an internal wave 2 that's playing out now, and the support zone is unchanged since the last update. So it's between 2,534 and 2,518. I have run out of wave degrees, so there isn't really much more labeling I can do here. But this here could be an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave even has 5 waves. So I'm literally just watching for signals that we could be on our way up in the third wave. A confirmation signal for that would be a break above the trend line here. We have 4 to 5 touch points there. It needs to be, it needs to be some kind of a convincing breakout. And then this internal third wave should take us to the 1.236 extension, at least 2,600 USD next. Overall, I'm still following a pretty bullish roadmap for gold that can still send us higher here, yeah? Looking at the alternative, we could be in a B wave pullback, which has a lower support zone. In this case, if we break below 2,518, which is the lowest support I would really accept for wave 2 here. Below that level, I would assume we are in a B wave. And in this scenario, it's this B wave I'm talking about. Oops. This B wave, which presumably bottomed on Thursday. In this case, this is still unfolding, and we probably had a development of an A. Yeah, and difficult how exactly this would play out. Could be A, B, and this is a C wave, or even A wave. And this is like an A, B, C in a B, and then we go down. So again, the microstructure can always change. That's normal in corrections, completely normal, as to be expected. This is just noise really in the short term. I mean, here there was no progress in the chart. This is literally just sideways movement, right? So yeah, it takes a break above the yellow line to suggest that we're moving up in the next uptrend, and a break below the upper support area, which is defined between 2,534 and 2,518, would likely lead to a test of the lower support region between 2,507 and 2,490. I mean, a break below this level would require a larger reinterpretation of the chart. It is, I have to say, it is a highly complex chart. It has become so complex, but it is bullish, but we have so many overlaps here, so much overlapping price action. And we've been witnessing that over the last, well, I'd say 12 months specifically, right? All of these overlaps, corrections, long sideways corrections, then very choppy upside. I mean, this is bullish. We're moving higher, still printing higher highs and higher lows. But I know there are other analysts who see this all as bearish, but they have been seeing it as bearish for a while. The market still goes up higher. And I think the reason is that because this is a massive diagonal structure that's developing to the upside, and the subwaves are all corrective, it can easily be mistaken for a large correction, right? But gold, I mean, all we need to do is zoom out a little bit. Look at where we are. I mean, there's not really anything bearish about that. But yeah, we are in a fifth wave, which started down here in October 22. And this fifth wave to the upside is a diagonal, all right? And that's what many who don't deal with diagonals very often in their analysis, they might think this is bearish. But yeah, I mean, we are moving higher and higher and higher, right? And this was my forecast for this year, that it's like the year for the metals. Okay, we're doing it, but it's not easy to read on the micro level. That's what needs to be understood. So please take note that even if we break below, let's say, a micro support region, it doesn't change the bigger picture. When would I get concerned? I mean, if we break below this B wave low, I'd say. I mean, it shouldn't really happen. We shouldn't really see a break below, let's say, 2,300. Then this would really require a more substantial reinterpretation of the chart. that's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 and the additional updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.